We've packed up the car and we're on our way to the lakes. Our drive up through the lakes and into Deloraine took us about 3.5 hours with stops. It's a beautiful drive heading up through Bothwell, which is a lovely little town to stop by and have a little bit of something to eat. On the way I saw a sign for steps, sculptures, so I made Jeff pull over this time so that I could get out and have a little bit of a look. You can walk to the homestead. It was 900 metres from this point, but you can access that from the main road a little bit further on. We stopped at one of the dams on the way up and took a look, and then just enjoyed the scenery for the rest of the trip. The scenery is always changing as you make your way from Hobart all the way up to the north-west coast. Well, we kept travelling through the lakes and we are down in Deloraine now. We've just spent a few minutes driving up and down the caravan park looking for the caretaker's office, and finally saw on the sign that all inquiries to the caravan park, please go to the house across the road. So this is the house across the road. And the caravan park is down in there, and we've just had a big train go past. So hopefully no early morning ones. Just noticed that when I was talking to you guys on camera that Jeff's disappeared. I'm a bit worried. And I have to wee. It was the 4X at the Lakes Hotel. Staying at the caravan park gave us a really good chance to try our new setup with the mattress in the back of the car, just for overnight stays. Once we'd set ourselves up, we went for a walk. From the caravan park, there's a path that takes you down through all the parks. Lots of things to see. And then we headed up toward town where we stopped for a beer, of course, and went for a walk up and down, having a look at the sculptures, and some of them were a little interesting, I must say. Worst night's sleep ever. 4 freight trains, 11:15, 1:45, 2:45, and they were the long type as well. Then at about 2 o'clock, there was some idiot who wanted to do a burnout, and they just kept trying and trying and trying. And then about 3:30, 4 o'clock, all the ducks across the road went nuts, started serenading everyone in the car park. You know the Bruce Springsteen song where he says, "At night I wake up with my sheets soaking wet and that freight train running through the middle of my head"? That's actually, he's talking about camping. He's talking about the condensation that builds up inside your tent or your vehicle, and the freight train, let me show you. Even with the late night trains, the caravan park is a beautiful park. It's a shame that the town hasn't done something to stop the trains from going through during those early hours of the morning like they have up at Verney. We certainly enjoyed our stay. It's a beautiful, beautiful spot. As to whether we'd stay here again, I don't know. I'd probably choose something a little bit further away from the railway line next time.